Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at a fun and engaging way for you to build up your email list. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a wheel of fortune and also use it to build up your email list by collecting their email addresses. And without any further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the platform we're going to be using for this tutorial is called Omnisend, and if you want to sign up for Omnisend, you can click the first link in the description below to sign up an account, and also use the code THEWPBRO to get 5% off the first 3 months of your purchase whenever you want to get a plan from them. So to create a wheel of fortune with Omnisend, we need to come to forms, and here we're going to come to create form. And the idea for this wheel of fortune we want to create is to be able to offer discounts to our users. So here we're going to just, let me first of all remove this filter. We can see under the recommended form templates that we can choose, we can see wheel of fortune right here. But in case you can't find this wheel of fortune in your own, we're just going to scroll down here to filter out wheel of fortune out of all these templates. Now we have 5 templates that we can choose from, which serves for different reasons. Although you can use any one of your choice, you can just customize it whenever you're building it in your form editor. But let's just go with this branded wheel of fortune. Let's use these templates. Alright, so this is the form editor where you can edit everything as regarding to this pop-up form. So right here we have the wheel of fortune on the left hand side and then the other details on the right hand side. You can just click on this box to be able to edit the contents inside it, and then also change the font, the line height, and then the color and every other thing that you want to change. But we're just going to leave everything at default for this tutorial because we want to make things fast and quick. And also, if you want to learn in depth on how to create pop-up form and how all these features works on Omnisend, I published a video a few days ago. You can click the link in the description below, the first video link in the description below, for you to watch the video after this one. And also I'm going to link it up in the card above for you to be able to watch this video and learn the in-depth about Omnisend. Now we're just going to do a few basic things right here. We're just going to leave this text as it is and every other thing, but we're going to customize this wheel of fortune. So let's click on this wheel of fortune, and here also you can see we can change the slice colors to whatever we want, but we're just going to leave it at the default colors. Now we're going to come here to click on setup wheel slices, and right here we're going to put in discount code for all these winning slices. And also you can see the probability. This probability is going to determine the probability of a user landing on a particular discount code. For example, if we should increase the probability of 3% off to 50, and we share the remaining 50% because the sum of all probabilities should be 100, then we share the remaining 50% with other winning slices, then they will most likely land on the 3% of discount code. But once we make everything balanced and equal, so we're going to be sharing the 20 across all the 5 winning slices that we have. So for the first discount code, which is 3% off, we can just have something like 3 off. For the 5% off, we're going to have something like 5 off, and on like that for everybody. So let me just quickly fill that in. Alright, so we have set up our discount code for all these winning slices and then the discount that we have for them. Now the next thing we're going to do is to click on save. So we've saved that, and let's check on success. This is what we're going to see whenever they input their email. And then when somebody that has subscribed to your email list actually wants to try out this wheel of fortune, this is the page. This is what is going to this is what they're going to see whenever they put in their email. So what we're going to do now is to, okay, first of all, before we enable this, we're going to come to display, and here we can choose the amount of time we want this want them to use on our website before they actually see this wheel of fortune. So for this tutorial, to make things fast, let's just make it 5 seconds. You can use page visits, you can use scroll depth or exit intent, and then everything is okay as it is. You can schedule, you can choose where you want the form to pop up on your website. You can choose the visibility, meaning do you want them to see this wheel of fortune only on mobile device or on tablets and every other thing. And also that reminds me, let's check how this wheel of fortune looks like on mobile device. So let's click on this mobile option here, and let me come back to form. So this is how the form is going to look like on mobile. As you can see, it is responsive across all devices. Now what we're just going to do now is to come here to enable this wheel of fortune. So this should be running live on the websites, on our website that we connected to this store. So what we're going to do now, first of all, let me disable these options so it won't interfere. So I've disabled this form. So let's visit our website in a private window, and let's try out this Wheel of Fortune for ourselves. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for 5 seconds for the pop-up for the Wheel of Fortune to come up. All right, so here we have it. So to spin and win a discount, we're just going to put in our email address. I'm just going to type in one of my email addresses here, and I'm going to click this blue button that says spin it. All right, so we're going to wait, and we're going to see the discount that we're going to win on these websites. Okay, so we were lucky enough to get the 15% discount, and then immediately we're going to be offered our code. We can just copy the 15 off, close this pop-up form, and then just come down here to pick a product and use our discount code and then purchase our product. So this is a very fun way. We've actually added that email address to our email list, and then we can reach out to them again if we have anything we want to promote to them or any information we want to share out to our users. For example, let me come back to my Omnisend. And let's come to audience. As you can see, we have one email subscriber, and this is actually the email address that I just input into the Wheel of Fortune right now. So this is a fun and engaging way for you to build up your email list. You can still refer, you can still send emails back to them, you can still promote other products back to them. You can also still give them other discount code to make them to compel them to buy your products almost immediately. So this is how to create a Wheel of Fortune. Do try out Omnisend with the link in my description, and also use my code THEWPBRO to get a 5% discount off the first 3 months of your purchase. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.